Oh, bad move, man. This is gonna be awesome! Automatic turrets! This is so cheating! No turds. Man, these things are relentless! These things are relentless! Okay, that is a gap. Car is pretty useless right now, unless it's a launching pad. Oh, finally decided to stop hiding behind your toys, huh? Fetch. Let's left a trail of bodies and bullets across this bridge. Fetch? Damn girls with short attention spans. Oh well. Lantern District, here I come. Shit. Lady, you are hell on bridges, you know that?
So you recognize me?
Oh, yeah. You're the one that had me dead to rights a couple weeks ago and just let me walk away?
You've changed since then.
You mean the smoke thing? Yeah, that's new.
I hear you've learned a new trick. You've expanded your arsenal.
I don't know where you heard that. I mean, I'm just a lowly smoke guy.
We'll see.
Yeah, that's doing nothing for me. You're a big fella.
No
No, the bigger they are, the smaller I feel.
Oh, and I've heard such glowing reports about you. I've seen suspected by a... You are a stubborn one. Just charge up with Neon if you want to close my eyes.
Uh-oh, running over gears here.
Don't let your pride get you killed.
Oh, okay, so maybe I, lied about the neon thing, but listen, I think I can save us both a lot of time here. I just need to leech a little power off you, that's it.
You want me to just give you my power?
I mean, not enough to sink bridges or anything, but enough to pull the concrete daggers out of my friends, yeah. And then after that, you will never see me again.
I've got a better idea. Since you'd be useless to me back in your little hovel, how about you stay here with me?
I kind of like my idea better.
Doesn't. You disappoint me. No.
Slow it down. Slow it down. Okay. The Lantern District, where I was headed all along. Just took the scenic route.
What the? I joined the team. Turn around, punk. Forget about it. relax. Jeez, these guys are obsessed with me.
is this Delson Rowe?
Yeah, who's this?
See, I'm just a huge fan of your work. That tag you put on the needle, seize control, right? See, I get what you're doing. The whole give power to the powerless thing, and I want to help.
Okay. Well, if you want to help, you can help me find one of the escaped conduits who might be here in the Lantern District.
Oh, well, why do you want him? Or her?
I just want to shake his or her hand.
Okay. Well, I've heard the DUP's planning to take all the suspected conduits they've routed up and move them to this holding facility they built downtown. Convoy's supposed to come right through the Lantern District, cutting across the I-90 overpass.
Okay. You happen to know if any of these people have actual powers?
Oh yeah, totally. Absolutely, yes.
Huh. Well, thanks. I'm sorry, man. What'd you say your name was?
It's Eugene. It's a dorky name, I know.
Hey, my mom got Delson off of an old Western. Hey, Eugene, I'm thinking the easiest thing to do here is somehow drop the road a little. You know, pull the rug out from underneath them.
Well, you could just blow it up.
No, I can't take the chance it'll kill the conduit I'm looking for. I think I'm just gonna cut the supports, and the trucks will make it drop a little. Bam! Instant roadblock.
Okay. See, man, this is why I'm such a big fan. I wish I could be there to see it.
Well, come on out and watch. But, you know, from a safe distance, of course. Because when we conduits go to work, you mortals better give us a wide berth.
Right. Right. Well, you know what, on second thought then, I'm gonna stay home. I'll let you know if I find anything more.
Eugene, when's this convoy supposed to show up?
Tonight sometime? I mean, I really don't know for sure. Are you still at the overpass?
Yeah, still here. Just been making friends with the locals. There doesn't seem to be any traffic up top, man.
Well, yeah, because the dupes took it over. Closed it off to citizens. So you finished with the supports?
Yep, all done. About to head topside and get ready for a little game of chicken with the dupes. Shit. Damn it. Of course. Suckers. Hey, Eugene, talk to me, man. What am I looking for in this convoy?
I don't know. I mean, they're moving a lot of prisoners, so maybe look for some buses? Whoa, what was that?
Helicopters? Whole pack of them. Don't think they can see me in the fog. Come on, just hand over your prisoners, and we'll call it a day. Hey, I got one. I don't know how, but I did. Eugene, those buses are long gone. Any chance you know where they went?
I don't know. Radio chatter's all over the place. I can't figure out where they're headed.
Wait, you're tapped into the DUP right now? How the hell did you pull that off?
Just this phone app I've been tinkering with. Here, I'll send you a link.
Okay, got it. So, what's it do?
It's a signal tracker. You can listen in on the DUP's communications. But the cool thing is you can also use it to pinpoint the direction the signal's coming from.
Man, I think I'm gonna have to take this thing out for a test drive. No, Eugene, I got something.
I told you.
Idea on casualty figures, but we also lost APCs. Even had a couple of birds go down. But I don't think that was Roe. Maybe a second bioterrorist, maybe more. Damn fog made it impossible to see. But whatever it was, we've lost it. And Roe.
empty. Somebody must have beat me to him. You're new. Sorry, I got other plans. Eugene, I found that first bus, but it's empty. There were 3 on the overpass, so that means there's still 2 out there. Hey there, fan of mine. You still there? One minor setback and you hang up on me. Some fan you are.
We need help! There's too many of them! They're everywhere! Everywhere! The fog! I can't see a thing! Can you hear? You hear that? That's them! Send reinforcements! We're pinned down! Not many left! Oh, God. What are they?
Okay, this is not going the way I expected. Gotta find that last bus before whatever did this does.
Incoming! Multiple airborns! Returning fire, but there's just too many of them!
What in the hell have I walked in on?
It's Bro! These monsters have gotta be his! Screw the angels!
Maybe there's a career for me in sumo wrestling.
Angels? Are you kidding me right now? So either one of those escapees can make angels, or I'm going after God. And I do not like my odds in that matchup.
Hey, Delson, look, they found one of those vests the DUP suspects wear over by Hingham Market. A guy it belongs to might still be there. There's lots of places to hide.
Oh, thanks for the tip. So where'd you disappear to earlier, huh?
Hey, well, maybe conduits don't have to go to the bathroom, but the rest of us do.
How do you get all this information about what's going on?
Look, in the Lantern District, the walls have ears and eyes. I just have friends in high places.
Sounds like helpful friends.
Well, I couldn't imagine better.
Let's see, if I had one of these things on, I would want to get it off as fast as possible because, well, because they're butt ugly. And I guess because they just scream, attack me. I'm a suspected bioterrorist. So you want someplace private to get undressed with a door that locks, a place to sit while you changed. A porta potty would be perfect. You'd kill two birds with one stone.
Which of you are hiding there? Don't you know those bioterrorists are the reason the Dupe is here in the first place?
Not a great start.
Yeah, maybe you could teach them English.
Great. Bilingual bullying.
Go!
Nope.
smell like farm animals covered in vomit. Like why bother?
No? Okay.
So sorry.
Hey, I'm not with the DUP, and I'm not a freak who goes around opening occupied porta potties. No, wait, I saw him first. These angels are quick.
Hey, Delson, I'm in the Lantern District. You still here?
Yeah, about time you made it across.
What the hell's going on? I'll leave you on your own for a couple hours and suddenly there's angels dive bombing people.
Gotta have something to do with the conduit we're looking for. I set free a bunch of prisoners the dupes were moving. I think one of them might be our guy.
Well, lucky for you, Big Brother's here. Finding escapees is what I do.
Well, be on the lookout for anyone in a black and yellow vest. I saw one on the ground in Hing Hang Market. Looked like a bitch to get off. Locks all over it.
Gotta say, little brother, getting the hang of this manhunt thing. Maybe when we get back home, I'll deputize you. You can have a job for a change.
Whoa, no thanks. One cop in the family is embarrassing enough.
There's one trapped on the crane! Let's go get him!
You fellas mind if I tag along?
It's the boogeyman!
So we can rip your freak show head off!
You're a stain on humanity!
Вот этот хрен!
I'll make you a deal.
Don't get any closer!
No! No!
No, don't! Oh, nice catch, wingman.
How's it going, Deputy?
Whoever this angel maker is, he's pissing me off. They keep grabbing all the conduits and I can't keep up.
So, same old, same old?
If the angels aren't bad enough, there's these gangs of surly dudes out hunting the Vestoids, too.
Those would be a current. An angry gang of bullies who like to cause trouble around the International District. You should stay clear of them.
So far, so good. These guys are real scum of the earth types.
Whoa, relax. time you called in the cop, brother. Listen, meet me by the porta potty in the Hingham Market. Got a crazy idea.
Alright, I'll meet you by the porta... Listen, man, I don't know what...
You can trust me. I'm a cop.
You know, I've noticed you like to mention that a lot. What?
What do you think? I mean, there's a little bit of pain putting on, especially in there. It's like somebody had some Thai food. But what do you think? Chase me.
You want me to chase you?
Yeah. Chase me, shoot near me, and we'll see what happens when one of the Angels shows up.
Yeah, because I've got a really good batting average with the Angels right now. If they take you, man, they take you to God knows where.
I know. Okay, but look, you know how you're always losing your phone and then you grab mine and find it?
Right.
Right, well, we have a GPS link.
So you're like a big, ugly tracking device. Okay.
Right, but look, we gotta make this look real, okay? Not too real, just real enough to fool the Angels. You get me?
Oh, I can get you right between the eyes.
No, just... don't be a dick.
Not bad.
Ooh, I'm so gonna be a dick.
Ah, fear me! I am a bioterrorist! Run away in fear, for I have powers! Horrible, ugly, mean-spirited superpowers! Oh, no. I'll never surrender! I am a bioterrorist! I eat children and kittens!
Please, conduits don't really do that.
I'm on your side. I'm too young to die. I'm begging you.
Fear my powers, world! Bow to my grandeur!
You don't have to bow, honest.
Flee in terror, mortals! I could melt your faces with nothing more than my pinky!
And cops wet the bed.
Dick!
And we have liftoff.
Hey, follow my phone and don't be a dick! Hey, maybe a little slower? It's my first time with an Angel, you know. Wow, you Angels really have soft hands. Can any of the other abductees tell you that? Listen, I just wanted to know if you know where you're going. I'm just saying we could probably stop and ask for directions. I wouldn't mind.
Video Angels. I should have seen that coming. Stop.
Ooh, you don't like it when I shoot the screen, do you?
Oh, I'm gonna burn in hell for this.
That's it! Keep shooting the screen! I think it's really putting the hurt on him!
Yeah, that's right. Keep coming. I'll take you all down. That all you got? You fight like 10 of them.